what we do, right? So I think we've been doing TVET, Technical Vocational Education Program, for many years, I think more than 10 years. And one of the places that we do that, actually we started partnering in Singapore is in the religious schools. Because in the religious schools, besides studying about religion, you also learn about life skills, learn about marketable skills, and learn about how to do well in society as well. And so after we ran that for a couple of years, our friends from outside of Singapore heard about this. Friends from Indonesia, friends from Philippines, and friends from Thailand came and asked whether we could also take some of this curriculum and move them to the countries and pilot it there to see whether it can deliver, it can uplift livelihoods, uplift communities, educate and be aware of how different communities can work together. So we piloted them in Indonesia, we piloted them in Mindanao, and we piloted them in southern Thailand. And it's been great success. And we're still doing that. We're looking for people to work together with us on that. So that's one example. And then the second example I wanted to give is we partner with the Singapore government for the inaugural International Conference of Cohesive Societies in Singapore. And the goal is really to promote awareness. So then coincidentally, in Singapore, Armed Forces, we retire early. I got an opportunity to join Temasek, the investment company, as the first managing director of sustainability. So at the time in 21.5, 21.6, to join sustainability I was just telling my friends earlier that it's career ending and it's a cost to business. But after about 7-10 years, what a change, what a difference, right? And then with sustainability, I got involved in the UN SDGs, and then of course with Temasek's philanthropic giving. And then about 6 years ago, many of times philanthropic organizations, we do things by ourselves. Also in Asia, we do things quietly because we don't want people to know how wealthy we are. But actually, there are many good works that's being done in Temasek in Asia. But as you do that with different giving along the way, it tends to be a bit disorganized, ad hoc. So about 6 to 8 years ago, Temasek decided to re-architect, redesign the entire philanthropic journey. And again, at that time, nobody wanted to do it, so they had to arrow somebody. So I was the face that they put to go do the architecture. And then after I designed the architecture with the legal, finance, tax team at Temasek, they said, since you design it, you better go down and implement it. That's how I got to where I am. So very quickly,